what is your suggestion? How one can create a good personal brand and consequently a huge network? It may be of followers, it may be of collaborators, it may be of business opportunities. So how one can do this?
So when we talk about personal brand, let me also break a myth. Personal brand is not again about a huge followership. Okay. Personal brand is again about how many people really like you and they trust you and they talk good about you behind your back.
Wow. Interesting.
I know influencers on LinkedIn and Facebook and YouTube, they have huge following. But whenever you talk to someone, people are abusing them.
Agree. Agree. I've seen it.
Right,
Yeah.
you also must have experienced these things,
Right.
right? Okay, so and SNE that people don't abuse me, they abuse me also. There are a lot of people behind the back, right? Okay, so personal brand is basically about your behavior, how real are you in being authentic to talk about your perceptions about anything. And rather than perceptions, you talk in your content what is the real reality. So, for example, there are three kind of truths. There is your truth, there is my truth about something, and then there is the truth,
Right.
right? So, let me give you example also. When I use a word called black, okay, you might connect it with a movie from Rani Mukherjee, Black.
Right.
I see it as my laptop is black. But what is black? Black is actually absence of light.
Right.
That is a real truth about black.
Black. Yes.
Universal truth,
Universal.
right? I think a personal brand comes out of only two things: when you talk your reality and when you talk the reality.
Okay.
That is where there will be no conflict, because I have seen a lot of times. Maybe you know what? Today here I sit with a suit boot like you, and tomorrow I go to a networking event in a hoodie. People suddenly lose trust on you. Said वहां तो कुछ और था,
Right.
यहाँ कुछ और है.
Right.
Right, because I know that I cannot maintain that suit image every day. I know that. So
Right.
what I can maintain every day is something that is building my personal brand. This is me. Simple.
Right.
Right, whether you like it or you not like it.
Right.
Right, but now you know me that this is Saurabh and he is okay with it.
Perfect.
So personal branding is more about, is built by helping people, adding value to their life, not only by content but by actually talking to them, understanding them, and really specifically helping them.
Right.
And by helping them, I'm not talking always free. You can charge it, you can help them solve their problems and still make a personal brand.
Definitely. 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 So being authentic,
Right,
being helpful, and
and then when it
understanding
comes to
the
huge
pain.
following, I
Yeah.
would say it's a byproduct of it.
Agree. Yes.
When we talk about huge following and all, I would say it is a byproduct of it. It comes when people know you and they are getting benefited with you. They will talk good about you behind your back to at least 9 friends. At least it's a research.
Okay.
If they like you and they have got benefit from you, they will talk about you to at least 9 people.
And out of
At
nine,
least.
many will come and connect with you. Great.
Yes. And if they don't like you, if they want to abuse you, they will talk to at least 27 people.
Oh my God, three times. Shocking.
Yes. The negative impact is always bigger and bigger,
Right.
right? So that is why when you do things, be the way you are and be comfortable. I'm not saying that when you say the way you are, you become arrogant. You always seek, sometimes you seek suggestions, feedbacks, you try to improve also. No problem in improving, right? But yes, there is a core value that a person is always with. उसको झूठ बोल के कोई फायदा नहीं है.
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग और बहुत ही मतलब लाइक आपने फैक्टफुली इस चीज को बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंटली बोला एंड आई रियली लाइक द वे यू हैव बीन सो ट्रांसपेरेंट इन शेयरिंग दिस थिंग